In this problem, we're given the function f of x equals 2 plus x squared, and we are to do two different problems. We are to evaluate f of the quantity x plus 1, and we are to evaluate the function f of x plus 1. The way that you're supposed to look at the first example is that we were given the function f of x equals 2 plus x squared. I wrote the function down and I put a blank space for my input variables, and we're saying here that we want you to substitute it with the quantity x plus 1. And if I replace the input variable with x plus 1 here, I have to replace it here. So in my mind, this notation means wherever you see the variable x, we want you to replace it with the quantity x plus 1. So notice here is the letter x in the problem, and I replaced it with not just x plus 1, but parentheses x plus 1, so that whole quantity is being squared. If you want to see a simplification of this answer, then fast forward to the end of the video. For now, let me move on to this notation. Notice that the given function was f of x, and here we've written f of x. We are suggesting you make no changes. In fact, if f of x is equal to 2 plus x squared, the fact they're equal to each other in mathematics means that this notation can be replaced with this expression here, and I'll do just that. We gave you that f of x is 2 plus x squared, so that portion of the problem is 2 plus x squared, and then don't forget that you need to copy the plus 1. 2 plus 1 is obviously 3, so putting my answer in descending order, we found that f of x plus 1 is equal to x squared plus 3. Now, I said if you wanted to see a simplification of this, to wait to the end of the video. So if you're fast forwarding to the end of the video because you wanted to see a simplification of 2 plus the quantity x plus 1 squared, I will show that now. So x plus 1 squared, if you don't know the shortcut to get the answer, what it means to square something is that the base is being multiplied by itself. So in this problem, the base is x plus 1. The fact that the exponent's a 2 means that you have x plus 1 multiplied by itself. Many of you probably learned this process as foiling, where you multiply the first terms. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is 1x. I'll just write x. And then this 1 times x would give you another x. And then finally, you would do 1 times 1, which is 1. So you may have learned that as the process which we call FOIL, because you multiply the first terms, then you multiply the outside terms, then the inside terms, and then the last terms. In the end, I'd like to simplify the answer and put it in descending order and combine like terms. So x squared is my highest degree term. I have x plus x, which is 2x, and then I have 2 plus 1, or 3. And that would be the simplified version of this, but it would still be what you get when you evaluate the notation f of x plus 1.